Do you need continuous conversion of incoming files or archives to PDF/A? In this video, we discuss the DocServer internal folder structure. Also examined is DocServer's continuous conversion of digital-born materials such as emails including attachments, Office documents such as Word files and PowerPoint presentations, web pages, PDF, TIFF, and many other types into true PDF/A format. This video is primarily intended for system administrators and trained PixEdit users and is a direct continuation of the previous DocServer video. It is therefore an advantage if you watch the previous DocServer video where we showed how to configure profiles, source, and destination folders. PixEdit can be configured to save in many file formats. However, in modern production environments, PixEdit should be configured to produce PDF/A files during scanning and manual saving. But what if you need to continuously convert current documents in various file formats or perhaps existing archives to PDF/A? The DocServer window in PixEdit does it in the background while you scan and work without affecting your normal production capacity. The principles in this background conversion to multi-page PDF/A format are straightforward. Simply configure the DocServer window to monitor one or more folders for incoming or existing documents. These documents may be in Microsoft Word format, Outlook emails with or without zipped attachments, PowerPoint presentations, or simple TIFF, JPEG, or other image file formats. When email file contains attachments, the attachments will be added as additional pages to the resulting file. In this simple DocServer conversion example, files in a single source folder are converted and stored in a single destination folder. Naturally, you can configure DocServer to execute other tasks as well, for example, perform OCR on documents not digitally born. The DocServer window automatically detects and reads a wide range of various file types. If an incoming file is not directly read by DocServer, DocServer will silently and automatically request assistance from Microsoft Office or even from unknown file-associated applications installed on your PC. For this reason, you will need to have Microsoft Office and TechSoft PixJet installed before you deploy your conversion configuration. The main principle is simple. The source application, for example a database application, streams unconverted documents to the source folder and picks up the converted result in a destination folder. In this example, the database simply polls the destination folder for the converted files and then re-imports them back into the database. To implement archive streamlined processing, DocServer creates several temporary folders as you see in this illustration. The input and output folders are created by you. You also have to create the conversion profile. If you want to learn more about profiles, look at the video concerning after scanning profiles. Here, only conversion is required, so you only have to set up the Saving tab in the profile to save in PDF/A. In this case, all options in other tabs need to be unchecked. Now let's look at the temporary internal folders automatically created by DocServer. These folders are for internal use only by DocServer. 3 subfolders are created under the source folder. The process folder holds copies of the original incoming files unless you have unchecked the Delete Source Files option in DocServer. The Not Processed folder stores batches or documents that for some reason failed during processing. It's very unlikely the Not Processed folder will be filled with files during pure file format conversion. However, if the processing profile contains, for example, document barcode separation, and barcode separation fails due to a corrupt or unreadable barcode, the document batch will be moved to this folder and at the same time DocServer failed counter will increase and turn red. Files not recognized as documents are moved to the non-image folder. Music files in MP3 format, movie files, and other unreadable files, as well as corrupt documents are moved to this folder at the same time as the failed counter in DocServer is increased. In most cases, a temporary folder is created in the output folder. The processed document is first moved to this temporary folder and hidden. Then it is moved to the output folder and made visible again. This ensures that a possible waiting file polling application won't create any read/write conflicts. The output folder may also serve as an input folder for another DocServer line running in the same DocServer window. We've shown in this video a demonstration of just one input and one output folder. If you create more than one line in DocServer so several folders are monitored, a similar set of temporary folders are created for each input and output folder. Although one single DocServer running on a single multi-core PC has very high production capacity, in very large production environments you will want to split up the production in several steps by letting several other DocServers running on separate PCs run in parallel or series on the same production folders.